Yeah, okay. Okay. And then yes. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hey, UK, what's up? How's the shopping?
Hi, yeah. It's alright actually, but I just want to make sure something.
Yeah, what is it?
Well, you know we want to make a party for this weekend, right? So I think I want to buy the food from now.
Ah, okay. Then?
I just bought some chips, pasta, beef and cheese.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, don't forget the bread and the vegetables too.
Oh yeah, of course, I'll buy those too.
Yeah, great.
And also, do you think we should buy some drinks? Cokes maybe?
Well, of course. There's no party without cokes, right?
Oh, alright. Wait, I just want to look to the coke section now.
Okay.
There are various cokes in the shop. Let's see here.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I think we can choose between Coca-Cola or Pepsi. What do you think?
Coca-Cola and Pepsi? Well, based on my experience, I would rather choose Pepsi. The flavor is not too sweet, and I think it will be fit with our foods.
Oh, okay, your choice, Pepsi then.
Mm-hmm. All right, yep.
By the way, I want you to clean our living room and set the tables. Can you do that?
Hmm? Ah, all right, I'll do it later.
Good. And I think we should empty our trash can before the party started. Can you do that too, please?
Yeah, okay. I'll do it later after this game, okay?
Great, thanks. See you later then.
All right. Okay, bye.